Test, 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 test. Okay, welcome. So today, quick, few coins. I'm not gonna be disturbing your time today, Friday, so it's gonna be a little bit earlier, and you will see few coins plus some stunning info about base chain. Why base chain could start pumping soon, because the capital is getting there. So maybe we are witnessing now that base chain will become second Solana when it comes to capital flow. Let's go. Hello and welcome to 321 Crypto. Remember, everything I'm gonna say here is non-financial advice. You are making your own decisions. So let's quickly say that the golem could be breaking neckline here, and once it's gonna retest, watch out because it could start going. It didn't go since never, I would say, since never. Scallop, I have a few info about Scallop, so I think Scallop may be going as per this pattern, and I'm gonna explain you after that why I think so. Watch out on Litecoin. Litecoin is breaking out neckline pattern, and if once the Litecoin will break that pattern and let's say retest 105, so it's gonna go let's say to 120 and then retest to 105, watch out because Litecoin may start going up. And if we're gonna take a look at the main levels, we are now at 0.382. So if we could go to 130 and then retest 100, let's say 10, well, fasten your seatbelt because Litecoin may be start going. SK still pumping, still going up. So if you're holding SK since the beginning of, let's say, I don't know, forever that we are talking about this thing, and SK would go to 30 cents, oh my God. Oh my God, that could be remarkable. So we went already about 300%. What else? Our Landix. Landix is now retesting everything, very good. So I reckon Landix will be here for a couple of days, if intention is to go even higher. But let's go back here. So Andromeda. I'm gonna have a news later on about Andromeda. So Andromeda fell here, but it was having a remarkable buying pressure. And I think once the Andromeda will bypass level of 96 cents, I think this could be a bear trap and Andromeda can start going up. Why? I'm going to explain you that in the news section, okay? Brock, watch out for a Brock. Brock is retesting this neckline. Boom, it's going up. What else? What coins we still have here that, oh yeah, MARSH. Watch out because MARSH is already retesting, but now has a full power on as well and can go up to, let's say, 40, 50 cents. Why? Because within a day or 2 days, they will announce something. I think it's going to be a burning. So that could be the event that like it could pump another, let's say, 50%. So that's why I'm holding it. Another news, it's VELO. So VELO is now start to pump. Okay, it's used this entire energy for this linear move. But if we're going to take a look at the monthly and weekly, we have still plenty of power. And VELO didn't actually go as far as this neckline. So I presume the target of VELO is around 4 cents. Okay, VELO is at the moment not even at 1 cent. And the level of this entire cup is at around of $1.20. So think only how much even from this side VELO could do. It could give us over 100x. So I'm definitely gonna buy more VELO. Okay, but I'm not crazy, not crazy. So that's I would say that would be it for these coins. And let's take a look at smaller coins. So Elon RWA is having a nice bull flag. Watch out this meme coin. This is on base. So we're going to be talking about the base today a lot. Another one is Fido. Something is going under. Watch your space. Then we have a Doge that's on Bitrum. I reckon A Doge could go here to let's say 4. Okay, this 4,000 something level. It's not $4,000 only. you know, there's plenty of zeros behind this thing. And that's just the metal. Volt, I'm gonna say a few words about the volt as well, but later on. OSAC, nice pump. I think OSAC came back to this range here, and it could possibly had double bottom. So now I reckon it may start going up. There will be a huge burning on OSAC. OSAC is on base 2. Penny, nice retest of that level. I'm just holding penny. I'm just waiting. It's only 600 market cap. Toshe, okay, so Toshe is now having a little bit of hard times, but remember, we were buying here, okay, and then here if someone was asking about this retest. So at the moment I'm just holding, I am waiting. Toshe is also on base, so that's my another mem coin. And where is the coin number 1? Rust, yes. So watch out for Rust. Let's just see. This is the biggest mem coin, I think, on base. And we can see the divergence now. So I have a lot of greens in that meme coin. There is a nice formation now. Watch out, okay? Watch out. I'm just gonna I'm gonna actually give that setup on the Telegram. Okay. Watch out on Rust. Okay, that's on base. Remember, Rust. Okay, that's gonna be something. I'm just gonna give this contract as well. Reminder. Przypomnienie. Okay, boom. Let's everyone eat everything. Okay, so that's this, and this coin could be pumping really hard. Okay, I don't know. I don't know more about meme coins, but the way I'm just trading them is very simple. Okay, it's very simple. So future swap without the changes. So yeah, I would keep this simple. I keep it simple. SCLP, I'm gonna be talking about this. On MARSH, we're gonna release the news. VELO, it's going with the news as well. Andromeda will release the operating system, but I'm gonna tell you more words about this in the news section. And I would look about these coins, okay? It's like few days, okay? Few days, and we will see. Plus these previous ones that we were kinda keeping them as well, yeah? Yep, okay, let's go to news. So that's just a manipulation about this, green, kinda hot, something like, geez, that's the kinda. So Coinbase, look, SEC, judge have decided that SEC case will move forward on most of the claims, but dismissed the claims against Coinbase wallet. Now, Coinbase is developing a smart wallet that simplifies onboarding for more than 110 million users. So think about this. Most people don't know how to buy stuff on Base, but if you have an account on Coinbase, you will automatically have a Coinbase smart wallet, which will be integrated with the Base chain. So think only what will be available since day one on the smart wallets from Coinbase, Base chain. What assets will be available? Assets on Base chain. What capital will start investing from? Into meme coins. If like everything which is on Base will just have sudden flow. You remember Radium? Jeez. You remember SynSwap that we were talking about this since, Jesus, forever? Suddenly from $5, $30. Boom. It's a main swap, I think, it's a main swap. Now, eMoney, which is Scallop, if you will hold Scallop on your MetaMask, you will be able to get the airdrops. So that's why this pump, that's why they are pumping. That's why they're pumping. If we can see here on this, on this chart, look, 1 hour, we have a nice support here. This is a bullish trend. Look, this is a bullish trend. This is the bullish trend. This is the bullish trend. We need the breakout now to continue from this fraction. So once I'm going to upload this episode, look at the Scallop. It's available on most of the exchanges, and maybe you're going to have it for Friday dinner, something like this. And VELO. VELO can't wait for launch of Orbit. In meantime, check out our interview, blah, blah, blah. I love, so VELO has plenty of background, and now they want to become #1 payment system up in Asia. Plus they have any other, like it's a very complex project. They have many different businesses there. So watch out, because this didn't go anywhere yet, and it's time for it. Okay, it's time for it. So we can see many other coins are pumping. Now, what is strange is that few of these altcoins were start pumping. That's the AI coins, and I was thinking, why is that? Like, why is that? And I found something like this. I mean, Bocho sent me this. That NVIDIA release H220 Tensor Core GPU. Look at this name, Tensor. What is it similar with? With TAO. Look, I was looking at the TAO setup, and it has plenty power, nice lower, nice retrace on RSI. And if we're going to take a look, we could start doing on RSI a big triangle pattern. So watch out, because TAO maybe didn't finish yet going up. Okay, another one which is connected to TAO is Neural AI. That's this project which I was showing since the last few days, and it has a nice retest here. So they are basically creating these 3D models like probably everyone else, but they also have a TAO miners which they're going to be released soon, predefined, predefined. So these names, AI, NVIDIA pumping, we may have even AI small season, incoming. So that's interesting. So bubbles, Ethereum. So Ethereum is still growing. We have over 1 million of validators. And like I said, watch the space, because if it's going to come to restaking, okay, and staking, so liquid staking, everything which is going to be on the top of the Eugen layer will become successful. So I'm going to have my part in Kelp DAO with this KEP token, and it's gonna be, I think it's gonna be pretty cool. So they didn't release the token yet, and I can kind of see that KEP DAO is something, let's say like Yearn Finance of DeFi. You remember early stages of Yearn Finance, why it was successful? Because it was automatically farming many different protocols. Yeah. So when you staked something onto one, I mean, did a loan, took a loan and put this loan into work in a different protocol, and took the loan there from this what you have took here, and so on and so on. So it was plenty of clicking manually. But Yearn went with the auto click. Yeah, so you just deposit it on Yearn, and they have these vaults which they automatically was gone. So I see something similar here, whether it's not going to be probably automatic on something, but they have plenty of partnerships that you will, let's say, stake on Kelp. You will get the bonuses from, let's say, Blast, from something else, and all of this will be inside one platform. That's something big, something big. And remember, Ethereum is deflationary. Okay, so Wall Street will need yield. Like if we want to go back quickly to Ethereum, yeah, Ethereum to BTC pair, we can see that Ethereum still didn't go anywhere. In the terms of dollar, yes, okay, it's kind of 3,500, okay, I understand, nearly all-time high, okay, but in terms of Bitcoin price, no. So think only, if we're going to have asset number 2, and it will go, let's say, to 4, yeah, 004 of Bitcoin, look, that's this one here. Think only how valuable it will become. So Bitcoin, let's say, will be for 100,000, and Ethereum will cost only 0.04 of Bitcoin. Think only how big potential it will have. And then Ethereum will gonna have its ETFs. Well, I'm stacking Ethereum now. I'm slowly stacking Ethereum, stacking, and stacking. So that's how it is. Now, why? Because, Larry from BlackRock, he is shilling everything. But remember where we are. We are at the top of wave 3. So I think we're gonna go a little bit higher, to finish this big wave 3, and then it will be this correction. I know everyone say, no, there will be no correction, and I get it. I'm not shorting this market. Remember, I have my hold position, investment position, which I'm riding to the end of this bull market. And I have a trade positions that I'm trading these pumps, cashing out, looking for retest, cashing out. So I'm cashing out my trade positions in case of this correction, but my hold position keeps me here. If I will be wrong and there will be no correction, let's assume, okay, but there's always correction, my hold position is still growing. So I'm safe, you know, I'm safe. There is no 100% solution on one side, one way or another. No, like you can be in between and then you can get some edge by trading. Yes. So they are pushing. And look, Bitcoin ETFs bought 3,500 Bitcoins, while miners, okay, produce only 850 Bitcoins, okay? Yeah, yesterday, sorry. So that's 27th of March. So look, they create less Bitcoins than the market can buy. And after halving, they're gonna be even creating way less. And probably demand will be the same. So watch out, okay, watch out. Metallics, so MTLX, is the coin created by guy who created Fetch AI. So Fetch AI, Ocean, and Agix will create one coin named ASI, yeah, ASI. So we will see where this protocol will this coin will gonna go, but it's already pumped as well. But you can take a look. It's at the max, I think, as well. You can buy. No, it's actually only at the Uniswap. Okay, plenty people are betting that this coin will gonna keep going up, but it went a little bit as well. I don't know. Do I have it here? A second. I don't know. No, I don't have it here. I'm gonna be looking at this now. Okay. And there's another project that I just didn't have a time to record, but it's this one. It's a GNUS. Let's just take a look quickly at this one. Twitter. It's a nice one. AI. Nice project as well. You can read about this thing. Genius Ventures offer cutting-edge decentralized computing platform for businesses, games, and AI computers with built-in blockchain payment system. So, look, it's only 25,000 people. Their post has a nice influence as per a small channel. Okay, so it looks like, let's say, 3/4 people are watching them, or at least half, and it's starting to signing for the wait list. Yeah, that's 28th of March. So I think this token may start going up. At the moment, it's only at I think it's only at DEXs. Yeah, so you know, get the contract from the DEX screener, and you know you can start. It's just started to go here. Yeah, so it's very so it's at the bottom. Like it was for $200, now it's 71. So it's cool. Rosnet is still trying to fight this post FOD, and you know, they are trying to create this modeling, upgrade their modeling, but I don't know how it's gonna go, because you know, people are, you know, pissed about this dump and so on. So probably Rosnet have to go sideways for, let's say, a month, and then we will see. Neural AI, I was saying the same thing. They are creating these objects as well, but they are trying to get this to another level. Plus, we are waiting at this TAO miners, yeah. And then, you know, everyone is talking about this plug and play TAO miners. You see, so I think it may go up. So I would focus now on. I'm actually focusing now on Neural, on VELO, on SCLP, and on MARSH. Okay, these are my kind of focus for today and maybe 2 days after. Yeah, that's the trade position on spot. Oh yeah, and Andromeda, sorry. And Andromeda, I have Andromeda. So Andromeda, we're gonna release its OS operating system, yeah, and it's gonna launch this in April. I think now Andromeda is also gonna launch this on iOS. I don't remember. 1 second, let's just see. Let's just see, where are they website, Andromeda protocol. 1 moment. Okay, it's now live. YouTube. Yeah, so now they're gonna release this operating system on chain. So no, I just missed something. Trading, yes. So I'm actually buying Andromeda for this event. Elon Musk, look, the Democratic Party is in US. Like, they want to give the green cards to all the immigrants. Like, look, the entire our understanding is shifting now. The way we will arise, you know, with the kind of letter of law, everything is working against us. So I think you must stop watching television and listen to the radio, because it makes no sense. If you're gonna now act against her, probably you can position yourself in a very attractive position, in a very attractive way, to incoming and upcoming events, and I'm talking about next 5 years even, from now, that will result that you, if you're still young, will become successful, and let's say your family as well, or your children, and you will not be buried with this old crowd. So for example, in EU, people are escaping EU because it looks like the communistic kind of camps. Yeah. In US, I see it's like a suicide mission. So US will be divided, like in this movie Civil War, which gonna be launched in cinemas soon. I don't know. And another thing is that 19 of March, this happened in Turkey. I just don't know this port. I'm gonna search what this international port actually, how important that is, and what is the connection with the port in US, that this bridge was that collapsed, because these two events, I don't believe in coincidences, which they happen in a short amount of time, exactly hitting the same spot, yeah, and the target is the same. That's not coincidence. It's mathematically even not possible mathematically. So you see, that's how it looks like. So watch out, because I think we are entering our zone of something may happen. All these messages, all this info that you were listening here, and if you were listening previous channel as well, I was talking that something will happen, some black stuff will happen, and the only thing we know that is going to happen, and we were looking at some info, and we were getting one info, second info, third info, and now we are getting this. Like, all of this thing, they are going to create a cause and effect. Cause and effect, if you will map this out, yeah? While the effect will be some sort of crisis and chaos, yeah, that it will create a need to print more money, yeah, and you can put the causes here. So we do not know these causes, we know the effect, and that this effect is coming soon, and now we see what else. So we were waiting at these causes, we were kind of monitoring, and up we go. More and more these causes. So most people think that this is random. Oh my God, happens. I don't think so. So have a nice weekend. Remember about these coins, and hopefully I think Bitcoin will still go up till the next week. And remember, end of this week, the buybacks in the corporations, which I was talking about on Monday, yeah, about them, they are almost gone, and it's not going to be plenty of them. So S&P could be cash out, and then probably crypto. See you. Have a nice weekend. Take care. Nice Easter.